Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with me, Lexy, the best of the best and the real out of this week's news. Ninja Man has recently suffered from a mild heart attack which resulted in him needing heart surgery. He's currently on trial right now for a murder charge. We don't know what caused the heart attack. Also, Dovey Magnum has been in a recent car accident. She suffered from a fractured skull as well as a broken toe. I hope she has a safe and speedy recovery and all the best to her, and I will keep both her and Ninja Man in my prayers. Vybz Kartel has recently reposted a picture of Cardi B praising her on one of her songs, Bodak Yellow. Later on, Rvssian then put up a post insinuating there's a possible collaboration with him, Vybz, and Cardi. I'm looking forward to that because I love Cardi B, I love Vybz Kartel, I love Rvssian, I love the whole of them, yeah. Last week, Friday, someone who probably heard already, Ishwana has put out a snippet of one of her May-released new singles, Eat It.
Some boy I like them, I really love them, but me pick up every phone, spin I give a damn. Don't pretend and act like save the pussy and a bite, just eat it, just eat it.
Ganda here, Ishawna. The girl want equal rights and justice. Justice has to be served. They need justice.
And QQ have put on a series of skits on Instagram about QQ wanting the lotion, but we know some want. According to the Star, Pamputtae have received many offers about having an actual TV show. If you're interested in that, comment below and tell me if you want to see them two in a show, cause we know we need some new reality TV people. Spice has recently posted that she will be releasing 3 music videos. Yes, you hear me. 3 music videos for her latest 3 hit singles that she has been putting out throughout this year. Are we here for it? Yes, we are. And she definitely has been living up to her title as Queen of Dance. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.